Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of goat milk and its byproducts. In this video, we'll be discussing the nutritional value, taste, and versatility of goat milk, as well as its medicinal properties and byproducts such as cheese, butter, and yogurt. So, whether you are a health-conscious individual or a food lover, this video has something for you. Let's get started. Nutritional value: goat milk is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and vitamin A. It's also a good source of B vitamins and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. It's also lower in fat and cholesterol compared to cow's milk, making it a great choice for those who are lactose intolerant or looking for a healthier alternative to cow's milk. Taste: goat milk has a unique, rich flavor that is often described as being slightly tangy and earthy. It's also creamier and sweeter than cow's milk, making it a great choice for those who are looking for a milk alternative with a distinct taste. Medicinal properties: goat milk has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help to alleviate skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. It's also rich in probiotics and can help to improve gut health. Byproducts: goat milk is not only nutritious but also versatile. It can be used to make a variety of byproducts such as cheese, butter, and yogurt. Goat milk cheese is often considered a healthier alternative to cow's milk cheese as it is lower in fat and cholesterol. Goat milk butter and yogurt are also delicious and nutritious options that are worth trying. In conclusion, goat milk is a delicious, healthy, and versatile milk that is worth giving a try. Whether you are looking for a lactose-free alternative to cow's milk or you're just looking to try something new, goat milk is a great choice. The medicinal properties of goat milk and its byproducts such as cheese, butter, and yogurt make it a superfood. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more delicious and healthy meal ideas.